Hello. So I ordered for my tripod. This is for my tripod. So I ordered two for my tripod because it's better na may extra so that I can vlog freely. But I think this one is different. Oh, ayan siya. Or you can move it like this. Okay, this is what I ordered online. Let's check. ASMR. Tadam! So, pwede siyang maganon. Rotating chuchu. Tapos, ilak mo siya ng ganon. Tapos, I don't like it na yung parang spring. Mas gusto ko siya na ganito. The old style. Ayan. Kasi, hindi masyadong ma-press yung phone. So, sakto lang. Ayan siya. And much more elevated siya kasi kita nyo naman. And I ordered two so that I have an extra. Ayan, ito yung isa. So, let's go there and update our hydroponics. Pang ilang araw na ba? So, check ko. Where's my paper? Because wala lang. I need to check. Wait a moment. Ito na siya. Gagamitin na natin siya for our vlog today. At itong extra, lagay natin siya dito. Ayan. So, ayan guys, the petcha is doing good. The pepper or atsal is doing good too. Sobrang ganda niya. Hindi siya leggy, unlike the petchay. But, you know, may round 4 pa naman na trial sa petchay. So, that is the update. Yung isa talaga parang walang pag-asa kasi it's too small. I don't know what happened. Okay, update. Bakit ganito ang mukha ko? Wait. Okay, update sa ating petchay. Our petchay is on. Today is January 28th and it's already day 12. So for petchay is doing good. And as you can see, our pepper also is doing good, which is very, very good for first time fruit bearing chuchu. Maybe nakapag-adjust na ako sa dalawang palpak na petchay. And I will change the water and check the pH level because I'm trying my best to maintain the pH level every 2 days para hindi ma-affect yung growth niya. Kasi you also need to check. Minsan tumataas yung acidity. So, right now, since dumating na yung para sa tripod, makakapag-vlog na. I can vlog already. So, let's check and change the water para mas maganda yung growth niya. Wait a moment. So if you're wondering bakit mineral water yan, actually premix yan, dyan ko lang nilagay. So pinalitan ko siya kasi maraming itlog ng lamok. So I need to throw it away and change it kasi hindi close yung lid. So there's a possibility na may lamok. So yan, dyan ko nilagay yung mga premix ko na sobra last time. And then tsaka ko lang kinakalibrate ang pH level after putting it. Kasi I need to change it from time to time naman. So it's still useful. So, ayan, kita nyo, that is the pH level tester. Tinitingnan ko if it's doing well. And kapag sobrang taas, lagyan ng pH down. Kapag nasobra naman ang pH down, lagyan ng pH up. So, ganyan lang, para experiment lang siya. Testing the water and checking from hanggang sa mag-hit siya ng 6.0801 something ang pH level niya. Kasi kapag nasa ganyan siya na pH level, mas maganda yung growth ng tanim. Of course, you need to check the ppm too para mas maganda. And then, balik mo lang siya ng ganyan kasi okay na yung nutrient solution. Nasa saktong pH level na siya. So, balik mo lang siya. And that's it. Tapos ka nang mag-replace ng water. So it's time to do the pepper. And ayan, chine-check ko yung ppm niya. And so far, I think the ppm is maintained. And while the pH level for the pepper that time is a little high, a little acidic. That is why I'm so sleepy, guys, while editing. I still have a class. Okay, yan yung pH level. Chine-check ko na kung high ba or low ang pH level. And I let it stay for a little more second para makita ko yung exact pH level niya. And I went to the bathroom to get a clean water because I forgot to wash the bottom of the testers. Kailangan mo talaga siyang ihugas or you need to wash with clean water para mawala yung mga previous na babad mo sa mga nutrient solution para mas accurate yung pagkukuha mo ng pH level. So as you can see, muntik ko nang malagyan ng pH up when in fact I need pH down kasi mataas yung pH level niya. Muntik na ako magkamali. So you need to be careful. Ayan, lagyan mo lang siya ng ganyan, i-mix mo lang siya ng ganyan para thoroughly ma-even yung mixture niya. Talaga mag-combine yung pH level up, pH down at ang nutsol. Check ko ulit. I think sumobra ako. I put too much pH down, so nag-hit ng 5.0 ang pH level ko. That is why I need to get the pH up. And just like what I've said, it is an experiment. So kapag sumobra, lagyan ng down. Kapag nasobra naman ng down, lagyan ng up para magpantay talaga siya into 6.0. So ayan, nilagyan ko siya hanggang sa maging 6.08 or 6.01 ang pH level niya. So after that, ibalik mo na yung pepper sa natsol. Tapos I need to correct the pH level for the petchay because sabi ko nga earlier, hindi ko nahugasan nung kinakalibrate kong pH level. So I need to do it again kasi when I wash the pH meter and check the pH level, nag-hit siya na 6.5 something. So I need to do it again. So when I check again, kasi nilagyan ko siya ng pH down konti. When I check again, nag-hit siya ng 5.7. So kailangan ko siyang lagyan ng pH up para itaas yung pH level to 6.08 or 6 point something. Kaya I change it again kasi or else the result will not be good and it's going to be terrible and disaster kapag hindi ko na-correct right away. Buti na lang, hinugasan ko ulit yung pH meter tapos chinek ko ulit yung para sa petchay. Ayan, and the ppm is okay. Okay lang yung ppm. I don't really have a problem with ppm as long as yung pH level niya is nasa 6 kasi parang same lang din. Kapag correct yung pH level, okay yung ppm. So far hindi ako nagka-problema. And since too much yung nalagay ko na water, I need to remove some of them like ganyan, and then tsaka ko ibabalik yung mga petchay. So after that, I decided to write and prepare for my class. So ayan, sinusulat ko lahat ng students ko for that day before ako maglinis, because after that one, I need to clean the room because it's very dirty. So yan yung mga ginagawa ko, small things in a day kapag hindi ako busy, may free time ako. And as much as possible, I want to edit videos too, like that. And I also play and do live stream for Call of Duty. So minsan nakakalimutan ko mag-edit ng video. So right now, since wala pa yung pinsan ko, I need to clean. Hi guys! Oh my god, I'm so haggard. Ayun! Here comes my face. Oh, my face got better. May na-turn on lang pala sa phone ko na feature na hindi maganda ang result. So, ayan. I just finished washing my face. I still have 7 minutes. So, I need to, yeah. That's what I've told you. Ito na yung mga pattern ko for my crochet keychains. And, yes, I'm still thinking of many things. Yung scented candle ko is ready for testing na siya after 1 week more, and it's fully cured na. And I'm not 100. I'm 90% sure that my first batch of trial for scented candle is a failure kasi sumobra yung hindi nag-coincide yung dapat na dapat na computations. So palpak yun. Handa na ako. I'm ready. I accept it na first trial is gonna be a failure. So, but I know now what to do for the next batch. 30 seconds left. It's showtime. Hello. Good afternoon.